Hello and welcome. It is the 18th of October 2018. This is the crypto a day morning. All trades, bets, and of the like within one's own risk and reward. Bitcoin remains with this low volatility from this up move, just hanging in there within the 18 average and the previous area of support in this early October, late September, resistance in mid September area. There's really not much to go over. Single hour time frame, you can just, again, not much to go over this, so I'm not going to. I will state that it's still a 5% differential amongst the price here on Bitstamp at 64.33 and the Bitfinex one at 67.11. So let's now talk about PIVX and amongst its daily term. Very nice looking chart to say the least, as it was in a big downtrend. We take a look on a 3-day term time frame after the April Fool's rally, which ended in the middle of May. Either way, complete downtrend going down like a water slide type of situation. Prices maintaining and staying pretty much well below the 18 average of lows during this entire run. Band flattened out. And over the last many periods in here, how it's had strength amongst the 18, I find very impressive. Just showing some other data. I guess I could go to the weekly in this one and see, well, last year, obviously, when it had its move, it had a tremendous one. And it could very easily do the same thing again from this low. And the key word on that is always could. But again, within the daily chart, how it's showing a lot of the strength with the 18, especially after the September 29th rally move. Another little small rally, pretty much meeting the previous resistance top, and then spending a few more days. And now, ever since the day in here, which had three decent green candles up, it broke the level of resistance in yesterday's session. So it's going to continue to be very important to maintain and hold amongst the 18 average. 18 average of lows is in at about the 17,000 Satoshi handle and change, a little higher than that. Looking at this on a single hour time frame, this thing just got going and it's retraced back. If it needs to come back to where it came from, I'm looking more at a little small pierce below 20,000 as it coming back to the area, and even down to 19,450, 475 area. And it doesn't need to do that, but if it does come back to that spot, overall, though, the volatility within these coins is going to remain pretty good. When you got price action going from under 20,000 to over 25, that's a 25% move. That's always nice to have. And that's going to continue with a lot of the coins, even in spots in here. Whenever you can have sell orders be placed in here, definite opportunities to buy back and sell a little bit up here. You can buy back down again, and anything that's been sold now on the higher ends, at least amongst my strategy with buy low, sell high, means I have sell orders to go higher. And if I sell it, say 25, now where do I want to buy? Maybe back at 21, maybe back at 20, depending on one's measure for volatility, because you can play this looking for moves of 5% up and down, or 50% or 10%, and so on. Thank you for tuning in. Have yourself a great day. Bye-bye.